Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to make cloud dough, and so let's begin. So take around 1/4 cup of moisturizer. Now add half cup of corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can even use cornstarch. And then add food coloring. I have mixed it with some water. Add the corn flour little by little so that it will be easy to mix and knead it. And our cloud dough is ready. You can see it's so soft. And make sure you store it in an airtight container. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, thanks for watching.